Hello learners, today you all will be having a brief introduction about types of switches and I/O sockets. Let's first begin with types of network switches. Here are some of the most common types of network switches with more info on each below. Kvm switch, managed switch, unmanaged switch, smart switch, and PoE switch. Kvm switch. A KVM switch is an ideal interface for a single user that needs to control the functions of multiple computers from a single console. These devices can often be programmed with keyboard hotkeys that let you easily switch between PCs. Managed switch. A managed switch is exactly what it sounds like, a switch that requires some oversight by a network administrator. This type of switch gives you total control over the traffic accessing your network while allowing you to custom configure each Ethernet port so you get maximum efficiency over data transfers on the network. Unmanaged switch. Unmanaged switches are generally made as plug and play devices and require little to no special installation beyond an Ethernet cable. The setup of this type of switch relies on auto negotiation between Ethernet devices to enable communication between them. Smart switch. Another popular type of switch in networking is the smart switch, also referred to as an intelligent switch. These devices are type of managed device which only a select number of options for management. PoE switch slash injector. PoE stands for Power over Ethernet. A PoE switch distributes power over the network to different devices. This means any device on the network from PCs to IP cameras and smart lighting systems can function without the need to be near an AC access point or router. This because the PoE switch sends both data and power to the connected devices. I/O port. An I/O port is a socket on a computer that a cable is plugged into. The port connects the CPU to a peripheral device via the hardware interface or to the network via a network interface. In a PC, an I/O port is an address used to transfer data. Types of ports. Some important types of ports are as per follows. First is serial port, used for external modems and older computer mouses. Two versions, 9-pin and 25-pin. Data travels at 115 kilobits per second. Second we have is parallel port, used for scanners and printers. 25-pin model. Universal serial bus or USB port. It can connect all kinds of external USB devices such as external hard disk, printer, scanner, mouse, keyboard, etc. Data travels at 12 megabits per second. Firewire port transfers large amount of data at very fast speed. Connects camcorders and video equipment to the computer. Data travels at 400 to 800 megabits per second. Ethernet port connects to a network and high-speed internet. Data travel at 10 megabits to 1000 megabits per second depending upon the network bandwidth.